Hi there, and welcome to the video on course selection and timetable planning for economics students. The following is a list of suggested first-year courses for a student in the Econ program. You will notice all of your required first-year Econ courses, as well as your breadths and some electives. You'll also see an asterisk with some information for students in concurrent education. If this is something you are planning for, you are required to take 6 credits of math from the list provided. This will satisfy your required 6 credits of science breadth. You can also find this information at nipissingU.ca/NSO under the Course Selection tab, as we saw within the Academic Advising's intro video in the NSO module. Courses within these course codes can be counted towards your breadth requirements for your degree. You can either hit pause and review them now, or they can be found on the NSO website under Course Selections. Now that you know where to find a list of what to take, let's focus a bit on actually building your timetable. First, you will want to print off a blank timetable so you can start to pencil in your options and ensure you aren't trying to register for 2 courses that are taking place at the same time. You can find a timetable on the NSO website. Start off by clicking on the Course Selection tab, the Direct from High School tab, and then the Timetable Planner link. You'll see one side of the timetable is for the fall term. Be careful to only add fall courses to this side of the page. Your winter courses will go on the back side where you see the WI term. Some courses run for the full year. They're listed as FW on WebAdvisor. You will write those courses on both the fall and on the winter sides of the timetable. Pay careful attention to which side of the sheet you're writing your courses on, as it is easy to accidentally write something on the wrong side and get yourself mixed up. There will be another video assisting you with WebAdvisor, but let's take a quick look so you know how to tell if a course is available in the fall or the winter. Here is a quick screenshot of some of the math offerings in WebAdvisor, just to give you an example. As you can see, course codes are followed by 2 letters indicating what term the course will be offered in. FA meaning the course runs from September to December, WI meaning the course runs from January to April, and FW meaning the course runs from September to April, or all school year. Next up, we're going to take a look at the economics listings in WebAdvisor so that we can pencil in your first 2 courses together. Don't worry if you aren't quite sure how to get here yet. You can review the Registrar Office's videos on how to navigate WebAdvisor. You can see from the screenshot that I have pulled all of the available sections or options for Econ 1006 and 1007. Both courses are offered in both the fall and the winter, with both having either distance, synchronous, different learning opportunities. A distance learning course means there are no designated meeting times, but what we will do is we will write them on the bottom of the respective timetables so that we don't forget about them come registration time. Synchronous online learning has a scheduled meeting time that will take place online, so this means you do need to schedule it so that you don't have any overlaps. I have chosen Econ 1006 FA 841, which is a sync course for the sake of this video right here. FA 841, FA meaning fall. To schedule it, it does take place on Thursdays from 9:30 to 10:20 a.m. And this is what it would look like on our schedule. I have also chosen Econ 1007 WI 801. In the winter, it's a distance course. There's no times for this course because it's distance learning. So what we will do is we will just write it on the bottom of our winter timetable, just like this. Keep in mind, for other courses when timetabling, on-campus courses are at least 3 hours per week. If you notice that you've written down anything less than 3 hours for any on-campus winter course, be sure to check WebAdvisor to see what you may have missed. Let's look at another course on your list, ACAD 1601, or Academic Writing. You'll see this course is offered several times in both the fall and in the winter. Because you have so many options for this course, with both distance learning in the fall and distance and on-campus learning in the winter, you'll want to make this one of the last ones that you pencil into your plans. Don't forget to take it, but start considering what else you should decide on before you pick where ACAD fits best. Students planning on a full course load will be registering for 5 courses in the fall and 5 courses in the winter. This is an example of how the list of courses we reviewed at the beginning of this video might be split over 2 semesters. The list of your breadth requirement options can be found earlier in this video or under the course selection tab of the NSO website. Electives are other courses you plan to take based on your interests, academic goals, and/or course availability. You might decide to use your electives to complete a minor or potentially a teaching subject. Different minor options at Nipissing are as follows. If you'd like to learn more, check out the Academic Advising website for a video about minors and certificates. If you'd like more information about concurrent education requirements and teaching subjects, please review the video found on the NSO website under the Concurrent Education tab. Take some time now to review the videos by the Registrar's Office to better assist you in understanding how to navigate WebAdvisor and the registration process. With this information, you should be able to set yourself up a timetable for the year. Once you've planned all of your courses, log on to WebAdvisor and register. Please know that building a timetable and choosing courses can be a long process. Read different course descriptions, consider your different options, and understand that you will have the opportunity to make changes to your course selections even after courses have started in the fall. Once you've registered for your courses, you can email us at advising@nipissingU.ca if you'd like someone to review your selections. If you're still having more difficulty and want to sign on to a group academic advising chat, please check out your Nipissing email for more information and instructions on how to do that. Thank you for listening, and good luck as you start to plan your first year.